Hi guys, coming today from the Code Monster. We do coding tutorials on all coding languages from HTML to PHP. Today we're going to be starting our PHP tutorials. So I guess today we're just gonna, on this tutorial, we're gonna look at echoes. Echo is just basically writing something out on a page like you would do with HTML. For HTML, you just make your tags, and I'm not going to be making valid HTML or PHP, just for demonstration purposes. So, with HTML, you just make your tags and you can just write hello. And when we check that in our browser, we just get the basic hello. Well, in PHP, you have a attribute called echo, and that's exactly what echo does. And to start off a PHP script, you're going to use your common brackets. You're going to put a question mark and put PHP, and then question mark and bracket. So everything goes in between here. Let's just make this a little bit wider. So an echo looks like this. The most common echo would be like that. Now after everything you do in PHP, you're going to put what we call a semicolon. The semicolon is right here at the end, and the semicolon just tells the code. Like if we were to put echo and then echo down here, that's not going to work because the code's going to try and read those at the exact same time. And you want to let the code know that you're done with this echo and you can move on. So it's just basically telling the computer that you're done. So let's get rid of this echo. And inside of echo you put 2 double quotes, and inside those you can type your message. Now this is going to do the same thing that our HTML did. It's just going to echo hello. And I'll change that just so you guys know it is working. So you'll see they do the exact same thing, but instead we're coding in PHP. And I think that just about does it for this side of the tutorial. This is all just about echoes. I guess one more thing we could show you. If you're just going to be echoing numbers, you don't need the double quotes. You can just simply put numbers, and you will echo those numbers. But for text, you need to have double quotes because you will get an error. You see here, it still echoes it, but we get an error. And then in our next tutorial we'll be talking about variables, and that'll have more to do with echo. So stick around for our next tutorial.